Hey guys, this is Ash at Audio 46. I hope you guys had a great weekend and got to do a lot of fun things. Okay, so during the weekend I'm usually all over the place running errands, but this weekend I relaxed playing games with this Audio Technica G1Wl gaming headset. So let's find out if it was any good. Okay, let's start. ATH-G1WL comes with a charging cable, the removable gooseneck microphone, a USB wireless dongle, and some manuals. So the thing about the earpads is that it features a hybrid construction with a PU leather on the outside and the velour fabric on the face, so it allows you to stay cool after playing your game for a long time. So on the underside of the left ear cup, you're gonna find controls for volume, surround sound, and as well as using the headphones in a monitoring mode. This feature combines the mic feed with the playback, allowing you to kind of figure out how you might sound as you talk into the mic. And lastly, this features 2.4 GHz wireless connection and a plug-and-play operation. Okay, so I have the Audio-Technica G1Wl on right now. I'm actually playing Red Dead Redemption, the latest one. Well, sort of the latest one. I'm not really used to this game, so let's see how this goes. Alright, so sorry about the sound quality, guys. Okay, where am I looking? The PlayStation is overheating for some reason. Okay, clearly I'm not good at this game, so let's just figure out. Another morning. Wow, the dialogue sound really clear on this headphone. Okay, so far the sound is really clear, so it makes this game even more like realistic. Yeah, I'm just gonna stroll and see what's up in this neighborhood. If any of you guys know a lot about this game, please leave in the comment how to play this, because this is not that fun. I tried to download Street Fighter originally and ran into some troubleshoots, so I had to resort to this. One thing about this headphones is that it's not a Bluetooth, but it's a USB drive, which uses the faster transmission and connectivity. So let's say, almost tripped. Let's say there's an opponent behind you. You can hear, for example, that guy stepping on a dry leaf and turn quicker with faster transmission. I'm gonna play this for a little bit. So my general impression after using this Audio-Technica G1Wl gaming headset is that it is built with really good quality and is super comfortable. I think the part that stood out for me the most in terms of comfort was this earpads, because it's so large and big, so it covers my ears perfectly, and these little holes really gave some ventilation to my ears, so it didn't get so sweaty, which is really important when you play games for a long time. And on top of that, like I mentioned before, this is 2.4 GHz wireless connection, so compared to like Bluetooth headsets, it eliminated possible lags, which is also important. And last but not least, the 7.1 surround sound really made me be in the moment while I was playing games, and it made the sound more realistic and also got me more angry because things didn't go my way. but I'm not a good game player anyway, so. If you guys want a gaming headset with really good comfort, good build, good sound, and fast transmission, then I would definitely recommend this. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my review today, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.